So the other day I was lounging around tired from a long day at work when I got a notification on my phone from a friend. She sent me a long paragraph outlining the beautiful last words of a rich and powerful man who fell ill and later died. Steve GOUVES dies a billionaire with a fortune of $7 billion at the age of 56 from pancreatic cancer. And here are some of his last words. In other eyes, my life is the essence of success. But aside from work, I have a little joy, and in the end, wealth is just a fact of life to which I am accustomed. At this moment, lying on the bed, sick and remembering all my life, I realize that all my recognition and wealth is meaningless in the face of imminent death. You could hire someone to drive a car for you, make money for you, but you could not rent someone to carry a disease for you. One can find material things, but there is one thing that one cannot find when it is lost, and that is life. Treat yourself well and cherish others. As we get older, we are smarter, and we slowly realize that the watch that's worth $30 or $300 both show the same time. Whether we carry a purse worth $30 or $300, the amount of money in the wallets are the same. Whether we drive a car worth $150,000 or a car worth $30,000, the road and the distance are the same. We reach the same destination. If we drink wine that's worth $300 or wine that's worth $10, the stroller will be the same. If the house we live in is 300 square feet versus 3,000 square feet, the loneliness is the same. Your true inner happiness does not come from the material things of this world. Whether you're flying first class or economy class, if the plane crashes, you crash with it. So I hope you understand that when you have friends or someone to talk to, this is true happiness. Here are 5 undeniable facts. 1. Do not educate your children to be rich. Educate them to be happy. So when they grow up, they will know the value of things and not the price. 2. Eat your food as medicine. Otherwise, you will need to eat your medicine as food. 3. Whoever loves you will never leave you. Even if she has 100 reasons to give up, she will always find one reason to hold on. 4. There's a big difference between being human and human being. 5. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. And in conclusion, the 6 best doctors in the world. 1. Sunlight. 2. Rest. 3. Exercise. 4. Diet. 5. Self-confidence. 6. Friends. Keep these things in all the stages of your life, and as a result, you'll enjoy a healthy and happy life. The first thing I thought after reading this was, who the is Steve GOUVES? GOUVES, however the you say his name. My curious side got the better of me, so I decided to look the poor man up. No pun intended. And lo and behold, I find out this man Steve GOUVES was actually a fictional character used to illustrate a life lesson. And yeah, I was pretty upset that he was a fictional character, but I still appreciated the powerful advice that we should all abide by. Where is your happiness? Are you enjoying the smaller things in life? Are you grateful? We all have the potential to do better. Let's start today.